Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is our Dr. Bapuji Pullepu alias Dr. BP. See, so quadratic form in matrix means what? You can write actually matrix in such a way x t a x. But first thing is what? If you want write in quadratic form, the matrix should be symmetric. In your level they will give guarantee symmetric matrix only. Sometimes without symmetrics also they give me what you have to bring the symmetric such a way you can prepare symmetric matrix you can write. So in your level you don't worry. Suppose symmetric matrix means what you can write means always you will get on diagonal x1 square, x2 square, x3 square you will get. Then what you will get, that I will do how to find out. Just suppose while explaining the problem I will tell you. So one symmetric matrix you can take. Suppose how you will symmetric matrix, any symmetric matrix you can tell. Write first row 2 1 3, then what you will do 1 3, second row 2 minus 5. What is the second row? Third row same thing you can write. Third row what you will do what is the third row? So 1 if you want you can write. This is the matrix form. If they ask quadratic form means what? 3 means what you can take here x1, x2, x3. 3 elements you can take. Then A 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, minus 5, 3, minus 5, 1. Then you can take x1, x2. Quadratic means what? Here also x1, x2, 3 here also. Bilinear means what? You can take x1, x2, x3 here, y1, y2, y3. That is, you don't worry. Now if you multiply, what you will get? On diagonal element you will get 2x1 square, 2x2 square, that is x3 square. If you want you can check, multiply, blindly you can write. So this how I will write. If they ask write the quadratic means what? You don't worry, no need to multiply, also blindly you can write 2x1 square, this is you can give x2 square, then x3 square. Then this is what? 1 2 element x1 x2 you will get. Then 2 1 both are same, multiply with this 2. So what you will get? 2x1 x2. So this is also over, this is also over. Then this is what? 1 3 first row third column, then third row first column. 3 plus 3 is what? 6 you will get. So 6 x1 x3. Then this is over, this is over, this is I want to write. This is also over. This is how you will write minus 5. Minus 5 means what actually? This is which element? Second row, second row, third column. This is what? Third row, second column. So how you will get? Minus 10, add, double it, and second row, third column. So if you want you can see multiply, guarantee you will get. This is called quadratic form. From matrix to I will go quadratic form. Suppose if they give quadratic form without giving matrix, they will give like this the quadratic form. They ask to find what is the matrix. So what you will write? In diagonal element you can write a11 is equal to 2. This is 2 square means what? a22 is equal to 2. a33 is equal to 1. Then 1 2 is there, no? a12 is equal to a21 is equal to 2 by 2 divided by 1. Then a13 and a31 is equal to 6 by 2. 3. Then a23 is equal to a32 is equal to minus 10 by 2 minus 5. Now we can fill actually. a11 is what? a2. a12 is what? First row second column 1. Then a13 is what? 3. So obviously this is also 3, blindly can write. Then a22. Then second row third column, who is minus 5, huh? Minus 5. This is also minus 5. Then a3. So anything we can write. Now actually thing is what, they will give quadratic form, they are asked to change the canonical form. Canonical form is what, is a diagonal form. They will write another quadratic form, y1, y2, y3 I will write. I will find the diagonalization matrix by orthogonal transformation. Then I will write the quadratic form taking a new variables y1, y2, y3. Then what you will get, on diagonal only elements d1 y1 square, d2 y2 square, d3 y3 square you will get. So that is the form. So very very important quadratic form. If they give the quadratic form, you can able to write the matrix. If they give the matrix also, you can write the quadratic form. But condition is what, matrix should be symmetric matrix. That you can keep in mind, right? Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye. We meet in next video.